What is up, guys? What is up? Today we have a very special piece from a brand new company that for the first time in history, guys, I sought him out. Usually the companies hit me up, guys. They want me to review stuff on the channel. I sought this person out and you were about to find out who it is. Bob, do your job. Do your job. God damn it, Bob. All right, guys, we are back. Bob's being a POS like usual. I'm not only excited today, I'm just happy. I'm so happy. You know when you get one of those pieces in that's just so special? This piece is special and it is unique, and it is by a company and also a man named Geoff Thomas, and he makes these amazing rings. And guys, he has never done a review before, so this is an exclusive. Well, he's never done like an online YouTube review like this. And I hope to be working with Geoff for a very long time because I love what he does. And these rings that he makes, guys, he uses old world silversmithing techniques.
My gosh, that's impressive.
He is an actual silversmith and jeweler, and he combines them with modern day technology, CAD designs, 3D printing to get this amazing, amazing result.
Wow, 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 wow.
Listen, guys, I didn't do the whole unboxing thing because it just came in a white box, but here's this black box. This is what you can expect when you get your ring. And let us pull this out and check this out, guys. So you have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful leather box here with Geoff Thomas. And guys, this is the moment you have been waiting for. This is the moment. Check this out. This thing is absolutely crazy. This is called the Meso skull ring.
Outstanding.
But look at the detail on this, guys. Look at the detail. Now listen, you want to see the crazier part? He does the inside of the ring too.
Exactly. That is perfection.
Guys, the kind of work that it takes to make something like this is absolutely insane. Insane. Now, this is not a ring for a lightweight. It's just not. Look at this thing right here. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, guys, this thing, not only do I love this, not only will I rock this almost every day, this is the kind of piece that becomes a part of you. This is something that you hold on to for life. But this thing is absolutely incredible. But let's read about this a little bit. So the Meso skull ring, named for Mesoamerica, such as Mayan and Aztec, high detail and finish, cast sterling silver. This is made in the USA. It is highly detailed and hand finished. The care that goes into this, I mean, the time that it takes to make something like this is just incredible. Before we weigh this thing, let's get a message from my wonderful, amazing channel sponsor, One Bone. Guys, One Bone, I'm wearing this actually beautiful One Bone shirt right now, but One Bone has size medium all the way up to size 7X, guys. Right now we're coming up to the winter. They have jackets, they got hoodies, they got vests, they got boxers, they got everything. Make sure you use my code BIGE15 for 15% off your first order. And with that, guys, let's get back to the video and let's weigh this ring. All right, guys, so we are back. And like I said, guys, this thing is heavy. So let's get this right now on little Bertha. Let's zero her out. All right, guys, this is happening again. This happens every video. I need a break. Give me a break, guys. Go eat a sandwich. I'll be right back.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, guys, we are back. We are back, and I have some sad news for you guys. Little Bertha's flatlining, guys.
Buddy, come on, don't die on me.
I just removed the batteries. I just put them back in. I gave her some mouth to mouth. I was pumping on her heart, everything, and little Bertha's on her last leg, guys. This is a very sad day. Little Bertha is on her last leg. I'm able to get a weight, but little Bertha is going to be retired after this video. Bertha is going to give us one last weight on this amazing ring, and here we go. 85 grams, guys. 85.5 grams on this ring that Geoff made. check that puppy out. If you ever punch somebody in the face with the Meso skull right here, number one, you're definitely, that's definitely the knockout shot. And also it's a really cool punch because after you punch them, they're gonna have a nice skull in their forehead, which will be pretty cool. There's a lot of detail in this thing. I'm enamored with this thing, guys. I've said it a million times in the video. I'm sorry for repeating myself. I'm a jewelry nerd at heart, guys. I get really overly excited for stuff like this, you know, and this ring, it's kind of like that time when you like meet your favorite celebrity in the world and you get a little nervous and you don't know what to say.
You're nervous. Nervous? Me?
I'm not nervous. I always know what to say, but this ring just has my respect. Geoff Thomas, you have my respect. And guys, rest assured, there are going to be a lot more Geoff Thomas products on this page. I'm going to show you different looks. I'm going to show you some of the gold stuff. I'm going to show you some of his different designs. I'm going to show you some stones. And guys, definitely go get yourself one of these rings. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So with that, guys, we have gone over everything. I have oozed out to you about my love of this. I will have the link to this ring, to his social media, to his website in the description so you guys can take a look. As always, feel free to ask me any questions, guys. And please, guys, if this is the video, leave comments, guys. I want to know what you guys think of this. Let me know about the design. Let me know what you think. And listen, obviously I know this isn't for everyone, right? It's not everyone's taste, but no jewelry is, right? No jewelry is for everyone, but leave comments on the design. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're down with that OG silversmithing and these techniques. I think it's amazing. But guys, here is the dope or nope verdict for the Meso skull ring by Geoff Thomas. And here it is, guys. And congratulations, Geoff. This Meso skull ring is certified absolutely dope. So guys, all the jazz I was just saying before, just rewind it, whatever it may be, like, subscribe, and please comment. Please comment, leave a thanks, you know, leave a super thanks, guys. You could leave me $2, $3. You don't have to leave me anything, but it helps me make these videos. It helps me do all that. And guys, memberships, $3, lowest tier. There's 5 different tiers. You get cool Big E emojis, you know, you get prioritized comments that are always at the top. So guys, hit the membership, support Big E, support your boy. You know, I have a whole beautiful Discord community for you guys all waiting, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys get in there and we can have those private discussions. You guys will see things before anybody else does. And with that, guys, this has been the review of Geoff Thomas Meso skull ring, and this has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace, and f you, Bob.